Iceman knocking door to door, unsure who he's looking for. He says, not to worry, citizens, I'm just looking for the miscreants. Iceman raids my neighbor's house, thanks the man who pointed her out. And when I try to film and shout, he pulls his mask over his eyes, says it's just her neck on the line. Iceman knocks on